Hello, boxing enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the Everlast Core 2 training glove, a perfect blend of durability and performance crafted from synthetic PVC leather. This glove is designed to last, providing you with the resilience you need as you hone your boxing skills. Its lightweight, double-layer foam offers essential protection, ensuring your hands stay comfortable and strain-free while you master the basics. The ergonomic handlebar is a standout feature, promoting the correct fist position to help prevent injuries during your training sessions. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your technique, these gloves are engineered to support your journey in the ring. With Everlast, you can focus on your form and power without worrying about wear and tear. So, gear up with confidence and let the Everlast Core 2 training glove be your trusted partner in every punch. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.